Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about Bosch washing machine error code E20 or F20. What does it mean and how to fix it? The error code E20 or F20 on a Bosch washing machine indicates unexpected heating in the washing machine. This issue could be caused by the problem with the heating circuits, heating elements or the thermostat. To troubleshoot this problem, the first step is to reset the washing machine by turning it off and on. If this doesn't resolve the issue, it is recommended to contact a professional engineer for assistance, as the problem may require more complex repairs involving the heating system. It is important to note that this error may be also related to other issues such as blockage in the drain hose or a problem with the pump. In these cases, removing debris from the drain pump and checking for blockages in the drain hose may help you resolve the issue. However, if the problem persists, it's recommended to contact a professional. In summary, if you encounter the error code for your Bosch washing machine, try resetting the machine and checking for debris or blockages in the pump. If the problem persists, it's recommended that you contact a professional to come look at your machine.